A fundamental theorem of calculus. When f is a continuous function on closed interval a comma b and capital F is any antiderivative of small f. What is the meaning of antiderivative? Antiderivative is the function's derivatives if f is f dash is equals to capital F, then f is called antiderivative of f, small f. So then integral of a to b fx dx is equals to fb minus f of a, which is equals to f of x restricted to a to b, right? It is written as f of x restricted to a to b. This theorem shows how antiderivative and definite integrals are related to one another. Yes, antiderivative and definite integral relation between this is a fundamental theorem of calculus because it will gives the fundamental relation between antiderivative and function continuity, continuous function, right? So now integral of a to b fx dx is equals to 0. These are another relations. Integral of a to b fx dx, a to a, this is a to a. A to a integral is always 0 because f of a minus f of a, this will always come capital F of a minus capital F of a, which is equals to 0. Now integral of a to b k fx dx is equals to k dot integral of a to b fx dx. Then it will become integral of, this will also true because when we take an antiderivative form, this will become capital Fx a to b. So this is k dot, so k is outside, taking outside of this, then it will become integral of a to b fx dx. Now integral of a to b fx plus minus dx is equals to integral of a to b fx dx plus minus integral of a to b gx dx, right? Integral of a to b fx dx is equals to a to c. When we break integral interval a to b in c, then a to c and c to b, a to c and c to b, integral of a to c fx dx plus c to b fx dx, right? Now when we take a to b integral of fx dx, when we want to take the reciprocal integral of this, then always there is a negative sign, a to b fx dx.